How to pick a network marketing company. Where do you start? What do you need to look for or consider when you're choosing a network marketing company? It does matter. What products do they sell? Is it a consumable product? Will the people need to rebuy? Or is it once they have it, that's it? You've got to always search for new people that would be in need of your product. Something to consider. Or how long has the company been in business? That's very important because not all companies are the same, and you don't want to build a large team and a large business with a company that winds up going out of business. Then you have to start all over with another network marketing company. That is a nightmare. Are they creating new products, or do you just have one product and you're expected to sell that? Are they innovative? Are they constantly helping you? Because when a new product comes out, that really boosts your business. My company's skincare, and every year they come out with new products to attack a different area. It may be acne, or it may be dryness, or it may be a tool. They came out with something to help with blackheads. Does your company or the company that you're considering, do they have new products? You need to consider that. Have they continued to grow in their industry? Again, you don't want to be with a company that goes under. After you've built a nice business and you got your customers set up, that's what's good about mine. It is consumable. The products with the regimens, they last 2 months. So the people that buy this month, they're going to buy again, 2 months later. So if they're buying in March, they're not going to buy in April, but they are going to buy in May. So then you can set up, if I've got 10 customers buying in this month, then I need to make sure I've got 10 customers next month, or I won't have a business. Basically, I'll have a month with no income coming in. So you need to set that up. So you're always constantly trying to get new customers into your industry or in your network marketing business. Is there a large need for the product? Like skincare, there's a large need for that. I did a network marketing company that was for something similar to a Fitbit watch. There was, I guess, a need for it, but that's one and done. Once they bought the watch, then they didn't need to buy another one. So that was not a consumable product. It wasn't easy to get customers for that particular company. But I could do that alongside with this one because I had already started the skincare company, and then I was trying to branch out and see what else was out there, and I thought fitness, that would be great, and I went in that, but it wasn't a well-established company, and it wasn't well-run, whereas you didn't get paid like you're supposed to. You're supposed to get paid every month. Well, it wound up that, okay, they weren't dispersing the checks like they were supposed to. That was a red flag that the company may be having problems. Is the product that you're considering selling a fad? Is it something that's always going to be in, or is it just, oh no, that's just the flavor of the month, if you will? You need to consider that. What is the compensation plan? I know we all have the compensation plan, but they're not all the same. Like my company, they give incentives for you joining. They give incentives for you to build your business fast. And then they help, the upline gets rewarded when the people under you are rewarded. And then the higher you go, then the more they'll allow you to go levels deep in your company. So you can, go down 5 or 6 levels deep in your company. That's huge. So that you're not just drawing an income off of the people directly under you or the people directly under them. You can go down so many levels, and it rewards you for continuing to grow your business, which is what you want. You want your company that's going to reward you, because not only is it great for you, it's great for your business, because everybody under you is most likely going to stay because there's constant rewards out there. So review the compensation plan and see if you can't compare them before you just randomly join a company. Does the company allow you to market online, like true marketing, like Facebook ads? Or is it a no-no? You're just supposed to market on Facebook and Instagram and in your personal page, and that's it. You're not supposed to have any type of true marketing campaigns out there. That is a big factor as well, because my company allows me to do that, which enabled me to build the MLM marketing machine system that I have. That way I never run out of leads. I never run out of friends and family. Because once you've gone through all the friends and family, what do you do? So my system and my company allows me to do that. So you need to look into that as well. Another thing, do you have to keep the inventory yourself? Is it something that you are going to have a special room or your garage totally dedicated to holding your products? My company doesn't do that. People order, it's mailed directly from home office to, the customer in any country that we're currently operating in. So you don't have to hold the inventory. That is a big factor, because with the watch thing, I got stuck with a bunch of them because I wound up getting out of the company, and then, what am I going to do with all this? I can't use that many. So again, watch what products they're selling, and do you have to keep the inventory yourself? What tools do they provide to help you? Like my company has, you get your website once you sign on for free. Now you can pay, I think it's $20 a month, and you get a huge library of training and marketing tools that's already done for you. Designs that are done for you, the photography, everything's done. All you've got to do is hit share. You hit a button, you share it, and boom, it's done. You don't have to, get a designer or, get I can't think of an art design. I can't think of the term online. Anyway, it doesn't matter. You don't have to pay for a designer to come in and, have a professional photo shoot with your product so that you can have something to market with. My company does that for me. How do they handle returns? Do they put it on the entrepreneur, or does the company take that? My company does all that. We refer them to home office. They do all the refunds. They get the products back. They handle the complaints themselves. You don't have to deal with any of that. That is a godsend too, because you can really get caught up and waste a lot of your productive hours trying to handle objections or handling issues that people are going to have. And it's going to happen. It doesn't matter how good your product is. People are going to complain, because people are people. So it doesn't mean that we have a lot of returns. It just means I don't have to deal with that. And it's great. It's very, that's a big plus for me. Do they force you to buy the products yourself? Now, you're probably going to be shocked at this, but I think they should. I don't think you should join a network marketing company and sell products if you're not willing to purchase them yourself. You need to be 100% sold on that product. And the only way to truly be 100% sold on the product is if you're using it yourself. How can you push it and really point out the benefits of this product if you don't even use it yourself? So I bet you thought I was going to say you want a network marketing company that doesn't require you to buy products. No, 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 no. My company does require that we buy products. We can't collect income for that month if we haven't bought a certain amount of the product ourselves, because they want to make sure we're using the products and that we can present correctly what results we're getting. So as you can tell, as I told you with every mark, I am proud to say that the company that I chose does check all those boxes. And I'm not going to tell you the name of the company. I told you skincare, and that's all we're going to talk about. But if you do want to know, you can, of course, message me or reach out to me, Facebook, whatever, Instagram, and I will let you know more. Or if you're interested in considering joining my team, if you're not in a network marketing team, by all means, I'll put that link in the on this episode as well, so you can click to request to join my team. That's all that we're going to talk about today. I hope that now you see that it is very important how you pick a network marketing company and which company you pick. Have a great day.